All right, I was cooking some steak, and about a week ago, I was going to go to the store and find a seasoning like this. I didn't even know they sold this in Georgia. I think this seasoning was actually brought here from Louisiana from relatives. But look at this can. I can't even find a date on this thing. The closest thing is maybe this lot number right here, 2015 maybe. But I think this thing is way older than that. I mean, there's just nothing here. So I went to the store, and I like toner sachets, but I was wanting to budget my money a little bit better. And I ran into this can. Look how new this is. It's the same stuff. And this has a date on it of 2027 expiration. So that's at least 3 years from today. So, but anyway, look at the difference in this thing compared to this old can. So, if anybody could tell me when this logo was created, I'm curious how old this can is. It's still got a little seasoning in it, but anyway, bring the taste of Louisiana home compared to this new can that was just bought a week ago. So, anyway, I love seasoning in my steaks and shrimp and various foods like that. But anyway, it's a beautiful can. It's gotten a little more uh, simplified, but Louisiana fish fry products. So if anybody could tell me how old this can is, I'm just curious to know because it looks like it's been around forever. So at least before 2015, I'm speculating. So anyway, thanks for the watch.